Hey everyone, it's your favorite kitten back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best ductless range hoods that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Pit Boss. The Pit Boss 440D2 is constructed of solid steel and features 2 massive steel rollers for convenient mobility. The 440D2 features a mahogany finishing, a high-temperature powder-coated finish, and a hopper top side rack. A stainless metal thermometer and a solid bottom rack are included with the 440D2. The fact that the flame pot is on the left side of the smoker means that it does not burn uniformly. The food on the right-hand side does not cook the same way as the food on the left. Traeger positions its firepot in the center of its grill to distribute the heat correctly. It is more excellent than practically anything at all when it's functioning perfectly, as considerably more effective than charcoal with both the comfort of a barbecue grill. When the spark ends up going out, you must cool down, remove the grills, vacant the fire cup, and begin again. You won't be able to put this to burn and think about it. You're going to be very disappointed. When you perform a lengthy boil at 200 degrees, something occurs. All around 3-point bending, the fire extinguishes. Whenever you begin, you make sure the ashes tray is empty. When you adjust my temperature, you usually operate it on smoking for about 20 minutes. The temperature of the environment does not appear to be a factor. At number 4. Cuisinart. This Cuisinart baby is our brand pick for the best gas smoker. The COS 244 propane smoker was designed with simplicity in mind. The vertical-shaped structure provides additional table space, making us feel more at ease. It only takes a minute to heat up, and you can control the temperature by adjusting the gas and lowering the amount of smoke. While the cooking process, a handy thermometer will assist you in making those modifications. The wood chips are kept aside from the flames. And there are no irritating heat spikes. Cuisinart has 2 doors, each with a flip handle, closed tightly to preserve the flavor within the smoker. The 14 by 14 inch rack gives you the juicy goodness flavor of the meat. You did not need to spend more time cleaning. The removable stainless steel rack makes the cleaning as easy. The 5.45 square foot interior provides ample space for smoking a range of meats and many trays of veggies. Its vertical design makes it ideal for patios and grilling stations. The built-in thermometer allows you to monitor the internal temperature. There is a vent for smoke control, you can open or close as you wish. When grilling using a smoker, they use wood chips. For dinner, smoke a few chicken thighs in just 2 hours, filled mushrooms in an hour, or a hefty pork chop for 10 hours or more. And it offers a warranty of 3 years. At number 3. Dynaglow. If you're looking for the best outdoor smoker, look no further. Dynaglow is the one to fulfill your search. The 4 adjustable steel racks provide you with the perfect flavored food all the time. Everybody loves eating, but cooking is such a difficult thing. There are varieties of grills with smokers for our convenience. Don't assume owning a smoker is a waste of money, it's a great way to save time while eating healthy cuisine. This Dynaglow smoker is ideal for backyard grilling. The cooking process begins with a push button and the electronic ignition that sends out a short pulse for lighting. The cast iron burner maintains the temperature constant, whether in a hot or cold climate. The twin-door design helps reduce the temperature while adding extra wood or water. And it provides larger cooking space for grilling and smoking. The porcelain enameled steel ensures the safety of your meals for hours. A smoke zone on the temperature monitor displays the appropriate temperatures for adding smoky flavor. The Dynaglow smoker cooks the food for your good moods. And you don't need teeth to eat my meat. Even if you're a beginner to smoking or an experienced person, it broadens your cuisine. And it offers 1 year of warranty. At number 2. Masterbuilt. Masterbuilt's top-rated, wildly popular MB200711117 is always the best electric pellet smoker on the market. This smoker, also known as a food smoker, comes with whatever you need for outstanding electric smoke results at an affordable price. It has good heat retention and increased performance in chilly weather conditions. Masterbuilt is a master-minded meat smoker. And it has a digital control panel for accurate control. The 4 removable racks of Masterbuilt will provide the 711 square inches of cooking space to make your cooking a delicious taste. These can cook 4 varieties of a meal at the same time. If needed for grilling pork and chicken, you can use only 2 racks after removing the another 2. The wood chip loading method permits you to add more chips without opening the door. Wood chips are automatically put in for up to 6 hours. Slow smoker attachment with Masterbuilt can use as a cold smoker. The insulated body improves its efficiency and performance. While coming to the size, it is a large smoker. Most of them will be satisfied with the average capacity of the smoker. It comes at a great price. And it offers 1 year of warranty. At number 1. Traeger. The Traeger Tailgater is a compact smoker barbecue with several features geared toward portability. It's shorter and has a smaller barrel than standard stand-up grills. And it has a sufficient cooking space to feed a group of people. Traeger is the best barbecue smoker in the world. The height keeps the legs stronger. And it is foldable and smaller. We found that spinning the control dial to the higher temperature region was sufficient for burgers and other classic quick-sear foods. The pellets are comprised of hardwoods and flame cleanly while imparting a delicious timber smoky taste to recipes. This pellet smoker features simple digital controls, an auger system, and an electric auto-start ignition system, so you should check whether the feeder is overflowing and the grilling can sort out of rest. The best heat pellet smokers will make the grilling faster. If you are doing this type of cooking, this is well suitable for you. The smokers provide additional flavors to your cooked meat. Traeger is the best smoker grill for the money. The best tabletop smokers have 300 square inches of cooking space for grilling roasted chicken and pork. It offers 1 year of warranty for the whole smoker. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description